Hello students of class 10. Uh, this is your theorem 8.2.1. It says that the internal bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle divides its base in the ratio of the other two sides. Okay, the internal bisector of the vertical angle the internal bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle divides its base in the ratio of the other two sides. Okay, so in here you see ABC is the triangle. Okay, ABC is the triangle. The internal bisector AX of the vertical angle A, the internal bisector is this AX, okay, of the vertical angle A. This part you don't see, okay, you just see this one, ABC. Yes, ABC is a triangle, and the internal bisector AX of angle A, yes, of the triangle ABC intersect the base BC internally to prove that BX is to XC is equals to AB is to AC. Okay, BX is to XC, BX is to XC is equals to AB is to AC. Okay, that one only our theorem 8.2.1. BX is to XC, yes or no? BX is to XC is equal to AB by AC. Understand? The internal bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle divides its base in the ratio of the other two sides. Internal bisector of the vertical angle, okay, internal bisector of the vertical angle, this bisector, what it does, it divides the base of the triangle in the ratio of the other two sides. Okay, ABC is a triangle and AX is the internal bisector of angle A. Okay, AX is the internal bisector of angle A, and AX intersects BC. Okay, AX intersects BC internally. Yes, AX intersects BC internally. Okay, I have to this is means theorem says that the internal bisector of the vertical angle, okay, divides the base in the ratio of the other two sides. That means in here I have to prove BX by XC is equals to AB by AC. Finished? So first of all I will draw this triangle, okay, and this AX will be our internal bisector, or you can draw this diagram as a whole. Look at the diagram very carefully. You can draw this diagram as a whole. In here there is a construction. This part will be construction. Okay, so given here ABC is a triangle, AX bisects angle BAC. Okay, AX bisects angle BAC. Finished? I have to prove that. What I have to prove here, BX by XC is equals to AB by AC, or you can say AB by AC is equals to BX by XC. Finished? Now construction. Through C a line is drawn parallel to AX. Through C a line is drawn parallel to AX. Okay, through C a line is drawn parallel to AX, which intersects BA produced at E. This line intersects BA produced at E. Understand? These sentences you will have to remember. Understand? Construction, what I have to do? Through C a line is drawn parallel to AX. Yes, through C a line is drawn parallel to AX, which intersects BA produce to E. Understand? Next, I will start the proof. Okay. So in triangle BCE, this whole triangle, AX is perpendicular to EC. Yes, AX is perpendicular to EC. This one I am getting from construction. Yes, AX is perpendicular to EC from construction. And therefore, I can say that angle BAX is equals to angle AEC. This angle will be is equals to this angle. This is parallel to this. This is the transversal. So this angle will be is equals to this angle, corresponding angles. And that will be equation number 1. Okay, BAX is equals to AEC, corresponding angles, equation 1. Next one, you see, this is parallel to this. This is the transversal. So this is our alternate angle. This angle will be is equals to this angle. Understand? This angle will be is equals to this angle. Angle XAC will be is equals to angle ACE. Alternate angles, and this will be equation number 2. Finished? Okay. And next I can say that this angle is equal to this angle because AX bisects angle BAC. This is our given. Yes or no? So therefore BAX will be is equals to XAC. Finished? BAX will be is equals to XAC. This angle will be is equals to this angle. Okay, since AX is the bisector of angle BAC, and this will be equation number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, I will get angle AEC is equals to angle ACE. First of all, what I got? This angle. First of all, I got this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles. This angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles. And this angle is equal to this angle. Yes, because AX is the bisector. So from 1, 2 and 3, what I will get? This angle is equals to this angle. Finished? Angle AEC is equal to ACE. Okay, I am telling again, this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles. This angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles, and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, this is equal to this is equal to this, and these two are equal. So therefore these two will be equal. Understand? So since these two are equal, so in triangle ACE, AC will be is equals to AE. Okay, in here I have written, you see, angle AEC is equals to angle ACE, So therefore AC opposite side, at this angle opposite side, in this triangle, these two angles are equal. Therefore the sides opposite to these two angles will be also equal. This is a theorem there you have learnt in lower classes. Understand? If two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. And if two angles are equal, okay, I'm telling it again, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angle opposite to those sides are also equal. And if two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to the equal angles are also equal. This theorem you have got in lower classes. So since I showed that this angle is equal to this angle, so this angle opposite side is this one, and this angle opposite side is this one. So therefore AC will be is equals to AE, I can say. Okay, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Finished? Again, since AX is parallel to CE, okay, AX is parallel to CE or EC, whatever you say, this is parallel to this, okay, from construction, this one I'm getting. So therefore you see, I can say that this by this, in this whole triangle, you see, this is parallel to this, okay, this is parallel to this. So what I can say, this by this is equal to this by this. Yes or no? By basic proportionality theorem. This one in class 10 general maths you have got. Okay, since this is parallel to this from construction, so therefore BA by AE will be is equal to BX by XC, and this is by basic proportionality theorem. Okay, okay, this one you have learned in class 10 general mathematics. Understand? Now you see in here, okay, so what I got, this by this equal to this by this I got. Yes or no? This by this equal to this by this is parallel to this, yes or no? This is parallel to this, so therefore by basic proportionality theorem, this by this equal to this by this I will get. Finished? Okay, now you see what I'm getting. You look nicely, this by this side, okay, AE side 1, what I got, AE equal to AC I have got or not? AE equal to AC I have got, since these two angles are equal, so therefore AE equal to AC I have got, yes or no? So therefore in this basic proportionality theorem, after writing BA by AE is equal to BX by XC by basic proportionality theorem, next a little bit change I will do. BA by, instead of writing AE, since AE equal to AC, so instead of writing AE I will write AC. Okay, so I will get BA by AC is equal to BX by XC. Proved. This is our proof. That much only there. Again in here nothing there. Understand? So therefore in here what I have got, in a triangle, okay, in a triangle, the internal bisector of the vertical angle, okay, in a triangle the internal bisector of the vertical angle divides the base in the ratio of the other two sides. That means BX by XC is equals to AB by AC I will get. Okay, the internal bisector, okay, internal bisector of a vertical angle of a triangle divides the base in the ratio of the other two sides. That means BX by XC is equals to AB by AC I have to prove. Understand? Okay, so ABC is a triangle, AX bisects angle BAC. To prove that this by this is equals to this by this is equal to this by this, okay, or this by this equal to this by this, same thing only. Understand? So construction, through C a line parallel to AX is drawn which intersects BA produced at E, okay, which intersects BA produced at E. Finish, done. So next I will do the proof. Okay, next I will do the proof. So I will take this whole triangle, since this is parallel to this, so therefore this angle will be is equals to this angle. Yes, this is parallel to this from construction, so therefore this angle is equals to this angle. And next again you see, since this is parallel to this, so therefore this angle will be is equals to this angle. Okay, this is equal to this and this is equal to this, and this will be equal to this because AX is the internal bisector of this vertical angle, so this angle is equal to this angle. So from 1, 2 and 3 I will get that this angle is equal to this angle. So since this angle is equal to this angle, so therefore I can say that AC equal to AE. Finished? Now in this whole triangle AX is parallel to EC, so therefore this by this equal to this by this become by basic proportionality theorem. Now instead of writing BA by AE, AE is equal to AC, so instead of writing BA by AE I can write BA by AC is equal to BX by XC, and this is our proved. That much only. In here again nothing there. Okay, so next I will go to exercise 8.2. I will go. Okay, exercise 8.2, saying that prove that the external bisector of any angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the other two sides. Okay,